Kayo ba ay hindi makakatulog sa gabi? Mataas ba ang iyong sugar level? Mataas ba ang blood pressure ninyo? Meron ba kayong mga allergies? May acne ba kayo? Itong produktong ito ay bagay sa concern nyo. So, kung kayo ay interesado sa video na ito, patuloy nyo lang pong panoorin. Hello beautiful ones, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be sharing to you Promag300 Magnesium Spray. Yes, I'll be sharing to you Promag300's latest product, and this is a spray. Hindi po ito katulad nung dati nilang product na kailangan pa nating ibaba ng ating mga paa para ma-penetrate sa ating skin ang magnesium. Ito po ay isang spray. This is 50 ml, a Philippine-made product, awarded as the best wellness product by the Golden Globe Annual Awards for Business Excellence. Halal-free. Expiration can be seen at the bottom of the bottle. Promag300 Magnesium Spray is a magnesium hydroxide that has undergone calcination process for human use using Nano Technology. This is water-based spray, so we highly advise you to shake the bottle before every use. Benefits of magnesium: promotes better sleep, reduces inflammation, helps regulate blood pressure, maintains a healthy blood sugar balance, reduces muscle aches, pains, cramping, and spasms, enhances energy, athletic performance, and exercise recovery, provides healthy skin, and reduces outbreaks of eczema, helps in the treatment of diabetes, arthritis, joint pains, and chronic illnesses. Ginamit ko po ito sa mukha ko after I cleanse my face with soap, and I spray this onto my face. And ang feeling niya, guys, parang tight, maybe because of the content of this magnesium hydroxide already penetrated into my skin. And I tried this into the skin of my mother. Meron po siyang rashes, so spray ko din po sa kanya ito at okay naman po ang kanyang reaction after spraying. Hindi po automatically nawala yung rashes ng mama ko. Ngayon, ika-third time pa lang po namin nagamit ito sa kanya. But so far, so good naman po. Wala pong feeling of itchiness or hapde using this one. Wala din po siyang amoy kasi parang water lang talaga ang kanyang feeling pag isi-spray mo siya sa skin. Kailangan po siyang i-shake always po before nyo gagamitin para po ma-mix lahat yung magnesium hydroxide sa loob. We'll try this one because this can also be sprayed under the tongue para po mabilis ang penetration niya. So, we'll see. I will let you show how it works. Okay? So, ganito po, shake muna and then I spray. Guys, wala ka talagang malalasahan sa kanya. This is safe to spray in your tongue kasi po siya ay magnesium. Magnesium lang po ang content niya. So, bagay po ito gamitin sa mukha. Kung may acne ka, may inflammation ka sa skin mo, may rashes ka, pwede po ito. Pwede din po ito sa armpit natin. I-spray nyo lang kasi pwede siyang maging deodorant din. Pwede din po ito sa mga paam natin na hindi nyo gusto gamitin yung Promag300 na binababad. Pwede din po ninyo itong spray sa paa at gently massage it after spraying. Bili ko po ito online and ilalagay ko lang po sa description below where to purchase this one. But this is roughly 300 plus po pagbili ko. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching at sana may naibigay ako mabuting influence sa produktong Promag300 at bumili na din po kayo para masolusyonan ang mga problema nyo sa skin, meron kayong mga rashes, mga joint pain, at hindi kayo makakatulog ng mabuti sa gabi, this product really helps. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and healthy, guys. Until my next vlog, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below anything you want me to make a video.